Over 40 persons are homeless after a massive fire destroyed 25 houses in Olympic Gardens Saturday morning. The cause of the fire is still unknown, but the police have ruled out arson. Meanwhile, the families affected by the fire are making an appeal for help. TVJ Shamela Pullen reports.
It's just days before the Christmas holidays, but for people like Jennifer Bailey, the season will be all but merry. Miss Bailey is one of 46 persons now homeless after a raging fire destroyed 25 houses in Bell Rock on Spanish Town Road in St. Andrew. Among the homeless are children. Miss Bailey told TVJ News she was asleep when she was alerted that there was a fire.
So we start trying to hold that fire, and eventually we realized that it was spreading and so forth, and we have children inside, so it's a neighbor have to lick out him fence so we could get out the children.
Miss Bailey along with the other residents were unable to save much as their belongings went up in flames.
We couldn't take out anything out of the house because we don't have anywhere to put them or any entrance to take them out, because the entrance fire was at the entrance, so we couldn't take out anything. Every document I don't save one piece. The only thing I save is my cell phone, and because I was using it to call the brigade.
I'm going to try to save my bed. I want my bed to save, and a TV I fall along with the TV that caused my problem of my foot. And little clothes.
However, Mr. Campbell argued that some of the houses could have been saved only if the fire unit had gotten there on time.
Calling the fire brigade in about half hour before it come. When it come, no water. So the house getting more disgusted, in flames. So we get hungry and that is it.
Just last month, one man was shot and killed while arsonists set 8 houses ablaze in the community. But Deputy Superintendent of Police from the St. Andrews South Division, Ethel Halliman Watson, says while it's unclear how this latest fire started, investigators have ruled out arson.
They're saying that the fire started in one home and they were trying to put it under control. But because of the magnitude of the breeze, the fire quickly spread and engulfed the other homes. There's no report of anybody receiving any serious injuries so far.
Meanwhile, residents are appealing for help.
We need all the help we can get, all the help. The most desperate help now is somewhere to live. Somewhere to live. It don't make sense we get food and clothes because we still won't have anywhere to put them. So the greatest need now is housing.
We are in a, a season where it is cold for all of the coldness from America blowing down here. So the children can't take the temperature what we can take.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.